Hey y'all, and welcome to a new segment we're trying out, where we feature easy meals that students can make in their dorms. Today, we're gonna be making gnocchi with Kennedy and Ellie. So, how do we start?
Okay, so our gnocchi is frozen. And it's from Trader Joe's. So it's $2.79 at Trader Joe's, and we like shopping at Trader Joe's because number one, it's affordable, and everything at Trader Joe's is organic and made with like non-artificial colors or anything, so it's healthy for you too.
So what's the first step?
Okay, so we're basically gonna open it. And so you have to cook it in some sort of sauce. I like mine just olive oil, so we cook it in olive oil. Okay, next, so what's interesting about this is you actually need to reduce your microwave power level, but that's like really easy to do. You can do it on any microwaves. For 4 minutes, you're gonna cook it. So we just take it out, give it like a little stir, because sometimes the olive oil will like set in the bottom a little, so you give it a little stir to make sure it's evenly distributed. And then you put it in for another 3 minutes. We're gonna take it out. Also, you don't really need sauce for this because the gnocchi is stuffed with marinara sauce, I think, and mozzarella cheese, so.
What kind of sauce is that?
It's vodka sauce. Because it already has olive oil on it, so I'd probably do like, probably about this much. It's not a lot, just like cover the bottom of the bowl.
Yeah.
And then now we'll put it in the microwave for probably like 35 seconds. Pour some sauce in. And now to add like a little bit more seasoning, we have salt and pepper. Yes. And then cheesy seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's kind of like Parmesan cheese. So you gotta kind of stir it up a lot, but oh yeah.
It looks good.
And then we're ready to eat it.
Wow, that was pretty easy.
I know, it's one of our favorite meals. Do you wanna try it?
Yeah. What do you think?
Pretty good?
Wow, I think this proves that even without a full kitchen, you can still make a delicious meal in your dorm. For VNN, I'm Jaymey Hedberg. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for showing me your DIY gnocchi.
Of course.